Mr. Jesus, Merry Christmas. You have a good
Validate the realities that we face here in the home, and I'm sure the residents are very happy that you could join them very briefly today.
The officials and staff members of the Golden Age Home, on behalf of my wife and the official delegation, and happy to see that we have representatives from the Commissioner Northern's office, from DPO, the Division Police Commander Northern, and the officials, members of my team, the Secretary, ADC, and those of us who came from Suva. This morning we came from Sabsav. And to our elders, our friends, the members of the home, I just want to say how thankful my team and I are for the way we've been received. Thank you for these kind words of welcome. I've been looking forward to this visit because over the last 3 years I've been visiting old people's home and orphanages in Suva, Lotoka, Nandi, Ba, and yesterday Sabsav. Today here in Labasa. I should have come earlier, but as we enter the festive season, I think it's only right that my team and I, and my wife and I, come and visit you. I look forward to walking around and meeting each and every one of you this morning. But I'd like to acknowledge and thank the hardworking staff. Thank you for your perseverance. Thank you for your commitment in looking after our elders over the last couple of years. It's not easy, I know, because I used to look after my mother-in-law for many years, who is now 99. That responsibility has been handed over to my brother-in-law for the last 2 or 3 years. But I know what it's like, to be watching over the elders. You have your ups and downs, but by the end of the day, we have an obligation to look after them. So I'd like to thank the Ministry of Social Welfare, Smalbuli and Snavitawa and the team. Thank you for your support. I'm glad to hear that government has allocated about $2 million to upgrade the facilities, and I hope you can find some way to put the patients into before we renovate the place. We'll talk about it later on when we get back to Suva. I intend to bring it up with the minister. But yes, we have to look after them. Yesterday I had the privilege of visiting the home in Sabsav. It's so nice to see our young children are being well looked after as well. So on that note, I'd like to thank the staff from the ministry and the hard-working staff of the home. And on behalf of all of us, I'd like to wish everybody well, Merry Christmas and a bright and peaceful New Year. Muli and the staff. Thank you. Please, on behalf of all of us, for our friends sitting up there, come with our good wishes and our prayers. They will get well soon, and may God bless you all. Thank you. We go around this way? Alright. Okay.
This is Muhammad Yusuf. Muhammad Yusuf.
Mohammed, how are you, Mr. Mohammed? Merry Christmas. How are you?
Fine.
Merry Christmas. I like your shirt.
Kalawata, eh? How are you, sir? How are you?
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas to you too.
How are you, sir?
I'm well, thank you.
I still remember your face.
Oh, you remember my face? Good on you. No, I used to have a little hair then, but you know,
Yeah.
not anymore. But God bless you.
Anyway, welcome to you.
I'll pray for you. Merry Christmas.
Same to you, sir.
Merry Christmas.
You have no problem.
My wife is here. My family. This is my wife. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. And then a Happy New Year to you too. Hey, James? Hey, I know the Morel family. God bless you, James. Hey. How long has he been here with you?
7 months now.
7 months. All right? God bless you. And how are you, sir? Mr. Prasad? You okay? My pleasure. Thank you. How long has it been in the home? Good to see you. Merry Christmas. When you say she's the youngest, how old is she? 33. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year. You okay? Good to see you. Merry Christmas. Okay? Oh, your uncle. Okay. Well, good to see you. Golden age.